Here we're having a look at the unboxing of the Nortiv 8 ALLSWIFIT shoes. As you can see here, they are in the box. Now, don't they look lovely with the presentation? So there's the shoe just there. Now, they come in about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 colors. So from orange to blue to white. And there is a shoe just there. Now, one thing I love about this is it's got these slip-on, slip-off design. So as you can see there, you can not have to worry about putting shoes on. It's elastic here, so you can literally just put it onto your foot there, which I think is really cool. I hate doing shoelaces. I don't know about you guys. And let's put out the other. Oh, fuck it. It's just going to be noise all the time. And here's the other shoe just here, as you can see. So I'm going to take the inner out of that too. So there are both the shoes. You also have the card as well for ALLSWIFIT, which you can see just there. A bit at the size chart as well. Now, I put these on my feet, and they actually came true to form. I'm a size 10, and the shoes fit perfectly on me, which is great. So let's go and have a look at some of the features of it. So to start with, look at the traction on that shoe. You see how thick that is? So that's my finger there. Look how deep it goes in there. And look at the grooves there. So there's my thumb. So that sole there is nearly the length of my thumb, which I think is absolutely amazing. They've got breathable plain wave fabric on the top there, which means it looks really good. The quality feels so nice as well. So I put that there, and it feels so lovely and thick. You can see in there. There's the inner as well there. And it's got a lovely sole too. So feels very good. You can feel it's got lots of comfort there. Now it has absorbs about 42 joules of impact, they say, and the cushion footing gives a lot of stability in there as well. This is the ALLSWIFIT 2.0 as well by Nortiv 8. They say it performs over 80% of other brands, so we'll have to test that when we actually use them out and about. When I put them on my shoe, the fit was so nice too. And there they are there. So I put that size there and that one there. You can see both parts of the shoes. Another thing I like as well is because it's got the lip there as well. See how that lip comes out? It allows you to slip your foot on there quite easily. So you can put your foot in there and start using it. And because this is elasticy, essentially, you can go out like that and go back in. But a lovely pair of shoes, true to size, true to form. They look very, very good, and have got very good quality too. So, you know, it looks absolutely amazing. And there again, there is the bottom of the shoe. So these aren't going to slip at all on that too. And look how it kind of curves up the sole as well. So beautiful.